Welcome to virtual lab number 7. We're almost to the end. You've got one more after this. So this is on fluid, pressure, and flow. Click the run now and get it going. We're going to deal with quite a bit of pieces in here, so if you need to watch the video a second time, make sure you do so instead of just trying to guess how things work. Whoops, I forgot to load that. This one we're going to investigate both pressure and hydrostatics, as well as pressure and flow. Hydrostatics, hydro meaning water, liquid, and statics meaning stationary. So the first one will be stationary pressure. So we start here, pressure. We will use flow later. We will not use the water tower. So you see here in pressure, I have a faucet that I can turn on and fill this up all the way. There's a drain down here to get rid of the water. I'll put a little bit more water back in there. This here is a pressure gauge, which you can see it changes based on where I'm at in the water. You can set the pressure gauge down, turn the faucet on, see what happens to the pressure. You'll be asked to play with fluid density, which you can do so here. You'll be asked to play with the value of gravity, which you can do so here. Another piece is going to ask you to take a look at what happens in this situation. When you do come here, please reset all. You can turn the faucet on and make observations from there. The flow. These dots are representing individual water particles. To make this easier, you can click on dots and a big spray of them will come out. Each one of these little handles that you see here can be used to raise or lower the pipe. It can also be used to stretch the pipe out, and you can use the dots to observe what happens. If we set this back to normal, they can even be used to constrict the pipe, and you can click the dots again to see what happens. We'll go ahead and reset all. You have a speed gauge. You can pull more than one out. You can pull up to 2. Pressure gauges, again, you can pull up to 2. So as it asks you to say, for example, in a larger area of the pipe, see what the speed is, you can put a speed gauge there, a speed gauge there, and make your observations. As always, have fun.